What's up, everybody? This is Kobe from Amore IT Solutions. Wanted to make a quick video tonight about a critical vulnerability that the NSA is telling us about. It's a critical Windows 10 vulnerability, but it does affect Windows Server computers as well. So, like I've been saying for the past few weeks, Windows 7, as of January 14th, 2 days ago, Windows is no longer, or Microsoft is no longer doing updates for Windows 7. So everybody needs to go and update to Windows 10 because you're not going to have any of the major security updates or any updates at all. So it's going to leave your computer vulnerable to exploits. So you're going to want to upgrade to Windows 10 as soon as possible. But getting back to this, just read you some of this article here. There's, I think, more than a few exploits here. Where is it? Okay. It's basically on Tuesday, after receiving a private tip-off from the NSA, a reporter stated that the flaw can completely break certification validation for websites, software upgrades, VPNs, and other security critical computer uses. It affects Windows 10 systems, including server versions, Windows Server 2016, 2019, other versions of Windows. It says it's unaffected, but I have heard from other reports that Windows 7 is affected by this. Basically, the exploit, they're really pushing this out to everyone, but making a stronger emphasis on businesses, banks, large scale businesses. What I've heard, what this exploit will do is, like I said, it breaks a security kind of exploit, and how it was explained is that your devices software, basically there's communication with the software that you put on your computer that validates certificates that says to Windows, yes, I am a valid I have a valid certificate. I am who I say I am. And this exploit actually will break that. And then what the hackers can do on your computer is they basically can spy on you on your computer. Um, yeah, not good. Not good at all. I'm not going to go into all of, what this article explains, but I mean the main emphasis for doing the video is just telling everyone that they need to upgrade. If you still have Windows 7, they did come up with a patch for this. Even though it's ironic that Tuesday was January 14th, which was the cutoff date for Windows 7 updates. So Microsoft, like I've said in other videos, and I posted on social media, Microsoft is not giving any more updates out for Windows 7. So if you have a Windows 7 machine as of January 14th, you are not going to get any updates. So you are susceptible to other things like this that are going to happen later on. Security flaws, bugs, fixes, ransomware, whatnot. So you're going to want to upgrade to Windows 10 as soon as possible if you are running Windows 7 machines. That doesn't matter if you're residential or businesses, but especially with businesses, obviously you want to get on this as soon as possible. We've been putting this out for the last, I don't know, a few weeks just to let everybody know. Some people aren't aware of it. So yeah, go out and go to Windows Updates, and you should have them set automatically to download. But if you don't, I'm on a Mac, so I can't really show you. But if you go to the Start menu in the bottom left-hand corner and you type in the search field Windows Updates and click on Windows Updates, and just click Update and let the updates run, that patch vulnerability should be on there, and it should download if you don't already have it. So anyways, just a quick video on this. I wanted to get that out there. I don't want to see a lot of people, getting infected computers. And yeah, it's good for business for us, I guess, and people call us. But, it's not always about making money. It's about putting information out there for people to know about these kind of security flaws before they really start to infect a lot of computers. So, anyways, appreciate it, and you guys have a great time, or good night, or day, or wherever you're living. See ya. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you'd like to be notified when we have new content. Also, if you'd like to know more about us, we have several social media pages: Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you would like to hire us for any network consulting or IT needs, please head over to amoreitsolutions.com, fill out our contact form, and let us know what we can do to help you out. Once again, I'd like to thank everybody for all your support, and we hope to see you in the next video.